Joro me, I want you to love me. Joro me, baby. Joro me, joro. Kilo de, why you know they call me? Kilo de, baby. Kilo de, joro.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn. In case you're new, you're most welcome. So as you can see, today's quality is a bit better, and that is because I got a ring light and I'm so happy. And with no further ado, let's get in today's video. So I'm not sure about the look that I'm going for, but I'll get creative as it goes on. So as you can see, my brows are already done, so let's jump straight to my eyeshadow. So guys, in this video I decided to use Joanna Cosmetics palette, and I'm using Aspire shade as my transition shade. That is the pinkish shade in the palette, and I'm gonna put that on my crease and then blend it out. So I'm simply using a bigger brush and blending it out, and I was enjoying shooting this video, guys, because I was partly so excited because of the ring light. And next I'm getting in with my Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. And what you want to do with your crease, with your cutting of the crease, is that you want to have like a really steady hand, and just be very careful when cutting the crease. And I know if you're not really good at it now, you will get better, because it takes time. It takes time to get a good cut crease, so you'll get there, don't worry. So I decided to darken my outer corner of my eye, and I'm using the smoky shade in the palette, and that's the black shade. I really do want to really make this eye look like a really smoky eye. I just wanted to darken the outer corners, and right now I'm trying to blend that smoky color towards outer corner of my eye. And now I'm using Dancing Queen, that is the brown shade, and I'm gonna put that at the middle part of my eye and blend it out. So what I'm trying to do now is that I'm taking the brush that I used to blend the black eyeshadow, and I'm trying to make it soft because we do not want to have any harsh lines. And now my inner corner, I'm using Glow Getter from the palette, and the Glow Getter is a bright color. I would say that it's whitish, kind of white in color. And after I'm done with that, it's time to get in with my eyeliner, and I'm using W7. It's a liquid eyeliner. I really like it, and yeah, I didn't want to go for like a really long wing liner, so I kept things simple with the eyeliner. I just drew a very small tail. So right now I'm getting in with my mascara, and I can't remember which mascara is that, honestly, but you can check in my description box, because I'm going to leave everything that I've used in this video in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. So from the same palette, I'm using Glow Getter to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner of my eyes. And I really like this palette because you can like contour with it, you can highlight using it, it's your eyeshadow, you can use it as a blush, so you're sorted with this palette. So next I'm using the Aspire, the shade that I used as my transition. I am using it on my lower not really waterline, my lower lash line, just slightly below my lower lashes. And I'm getting in with my Kiss Beauty primer. You do not want to use foundation without primer, you guys. Like, primer really helps in having a smooth makeup, smooth foundation, I would say, and it helps your makeup to last longer. Yeah. So next I'm using my Superstay Maybelline foundation in the shade 355. I'm gonna put that all over my face and blend using my beauty blender. And guys, I really like this foundation. Like, it's really full coverage. I just went in with one layer and that was it, and it was so full coverage. Like, I really love this foundation like so much. Yeah, so next I'm getting in with my Legal Pro Concealer again in the shade Fawn, and I've put that where you can see it, under my eyes, forehead, on my chin, and on the bridge of my nose, and then I blend it out. And those are the places that I like to highlight basically. So now I'm gonna set my concealer using Sacha Buttercup, and I'm gonna put that where I have highlighted. Yeah. So as much as I didn't show which product I was using here, I was using my palette, Joanna's palette, a brown shade from there called Chocolate, and I used that to contour my face. I really didn't go heavy on contour, I just did a very light contour, and after done contouring my face, I wiped off the powders that you can see on my face. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to my channel, come on guys, I always tell you it's free, so don't forget to click the red subscription button below, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Kilo day, why you know they call me Kilo day, baby? Kilo day, and I give you signal, why you know they see me I give you green light to fire. I'm a kilo babu, now you know they fumble. I go shoot my shot, yo. So girl, baby, take my number. You know you can call me later. Yeah, I want to be your lover. Oh baby, call me later. For la people CBO, talk to your friend, oh. Show me, baby, oh. Show me, oh. Shebi walo sọ fún mi. You talk say you like me, I be rolling, pardon. Kilo day.